Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to share with you my ultimate no makeup look. So this is something that I tend to do if I want to freshen up, make myself look a little bit more alive. So I usually just wear this either to exercise, go to the gym, run errands, go to work, school. I just do this when I'm in a rush, when I have to be out the door in 5 or 10 minutes. Let's get into it. Because my skin is naturally oily, I like to use a mattifying primer first. So the first product that I like to go in with is the Too Faced Primed and Poreless mattifying primer. Just use a small amount. Mostly keep it in my T-zone because that's where I'm most oily. So here, I go oily here around the nose and on the chin. So I just like to use a generous amount. The next thing I like to do is color correct, cover my blemishes if I have any on the day, which I do have a few now. I like to go in first with a color correcting concealer, and this is just a green concealer. I don't know this, that's the brand there, right there. But 3Ina, is that what it's called? I just dab this on whatever pimples that I have. And just tap that on it. So to conceal the actual pimples, I like to use kind of a heavier full coverage concealer. So I go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I use the shade Custard because it's pretty much exactly the same color as my actual skin tone. Lightly tap on it. I find this works better than using a brush or a sponge, and the warmth of your finger will help blend it out and soak it into the skin easier. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly conceal under my eyes. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So I'll just do a tiny bit. Using a lighter shade in this concealer because under the eyes we do want to look a bit more brighter, awakened. For eyebrows, the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4. And then with a very light hand, just fill them in. I'm not giving them a new shape. I'm just filling in where my natural hairs are. That's it, that's literally all I do. Can you just see like the difference it does with making just a few strokes? Then after I've just done that, I like to go in with a brow tint. And this is the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is in the shade 3. Run this through. I like to go in with just a little bit of bronzer just to give you just some warmth. Just so your face isn't all that like one colour. It just looks a bit better. The bronzer I'm going to go in with is the Rimmel London Maxi Bronzer. And then for eyes, I just put a little bit of mascara on, but first I'm going to curl them so they're extra long. And the mascara I'm going to go in with is the Maybelline The Colossal Big Shot Mascara. I don't like to put any bottom mascara on. It is a bit too dramatic if you put it on the bottom. So I just leave it on the top like that. Now if you want to add like highlight or something like that, I don't like to use powder because it looks too much. So I use the Josie Maran Argan Enlightenment Illuminizer. That one, and just put a little bit on. And then the last step that I like to do is spray some of the Mario Badescu, is that right? I don't know. The facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. This will just bring everything all together. After I've spritzed my face with that spray, I also just like to put on some lip balm. So I just use the Burt's Bees lip balm, or you could use lip gloss, it's up to you, it's personal preference, but I just like lip balm. So yeah, that's literally all I do on a no makeup kind of day. If you are someone that wants a quick makeup look that makes it look more awake and fresher, then this is perfect for you. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.